Hello guys, this is the MEPtutor, and in today's video I will be solving this problem. Which of the following equations describe the set of whole points such that the product of the distance from xy to minus to 0 and the distance from xy to 0 is 4? We have one point and the distance from that point to another point, and we multiply that distance to the distance from one point to another point. So we multiply two distances and that is equal to 4, and we find a formula with that, and we simplify that formula and we find what is equal to if it's one of the options or if none of the options. So let's see. The formula of distance between 2 points is this: point 2, this looks like a 2, but it's 1 point 2 x1 squared plus y 2 minus y1 squared, and that's the whole formula. So we can substitute that with the numbers we got and multiply it. So let's put it in here. This will be x plus, because it's minus minus, plus 2, this is the first squared, times y squared, because there is a 0 there, and we multiply this times the square root of x, and now we got minus 2 squared times y squared. This will be equal to 4, as the problem says. Now, because this is multiplying, we can elevate all the equation by 2 to eliminate these square roots, and we end up with this: x plus 2 squared times y squared. Oh, this is plus, sorry, I was making a mistake here. Times x minus 2, let's put it like this, squared plus y squared, and this is equal to 4 squared, which is 16. Now the next thing we can do is to expand this polynomial to see how we can rearrange it. This is x2 squared plus 4x plus 4 plus y squared times x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared equals to 16. Okay, the key here is to rearrange this to form a conjugate. How? Well, like this. If we put this x squared plus 4 plus y squared plus 4x, and we multiply this by the same left side, x squared plus 4 plus y squared, but minus 4x, we create the formula of the conjugate. So this will be the left side of the polynomial squared and minus the right side of the polynomial squared, which is x squared plus 4 y squared, everything is squared, minus 16x squared is equal to 16. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to expand this, but we are going to group x squared and y squared to have it more simple. We will put like this: x squared plus y squared group to do the square of the sum of two numbers, not three numbers. That will be much harder. This square plus 8 x 2 plus y squared plus 16 minus 16 x squared, and this is equal to 16, and both 16s can be eliminated. So we end up with x squared plus y squared, all this squared, plus 8 squared plus y squared equals to positive 16x squared. And let's see if this corresponds to sum of it. It's really similar to this one, but here's a 0 and here's this, so the problem is not the same, right? So the answer is letter E, and that's all the problem. So we are end here. Thanks for your time.